All right, so kind of gonna go over some of the things I bought on my way back to Alaska. Obviously I sold the Camaro. I used that to buy a new car and a bunch of other stuff for the sailboat. So pretty much I wanted something all-wheel drive, and I wanted it something that I could carry all the stuff that I have, and then pretty much haul a bunch of stuff that was useful back to Alaska. So here it is. I bought a 2015 Police Interceptor utility. It's all-wheel drive. It is a police package, and I bought probably one of the dumbest things ever. I have no idea how I'm going to put it on the boat or what I'm going to do with it, but it's a Sea-Doo Spark jet ski. I am probably going to put it on the sailboat of some sort, maybe on the back, maybe on the front, like in the mid. But yeah, here's my vehicles and what I brought. I'll show you a little bit more. I brought some cats. I brought a generator and a bunch of other stuff in the back. I'll probably get into that more. But yeah, this is probably the dumbest purchase I bought of all. Like I said, it's a 2019 Sea-Doo Spark Trix. It's a 2-up. I got the trailer and everything. It'll be fun in Alaska. It'll get me out and about, get me to travel and maybe like explore some islands and stuff more. Good for the channel. But as of right now, that's pretty much what I bought, and I'll get into some more stuff later. All right, so my Great Explorer is leaking oil. Probably the worst thing that could happen, and me and Alex have to fix it before I leave in 5 days. So plenty of light. We'll get it done though. This is the start. Nothing's done yet. Just the engine covers off. About to tear into it. Alright, so these are all the parts for my timing job and water pump job. Water pump, timing kit, just some cleaner, oil and coolant, Chick-fil-A, you know, the necessities. All right, so about to do the pull the timing chain off and see how this works. Hopefully nothing moves. Alex. I just don't get out from this fucking gear. Let's see if I can get this. Try to get this here as soon as I'll just get a little later. Yeah.
Oof, that is up. Get there.
All right, I made it to Seattle. She's running good despite all the work I've done to her. She's idling pretty good. You can probably barely hear her running. 2,000 miles down. Got about an hour and 30 minutes to go, so practically at my destination. Honestly, couldn't be happier with her. She's running real good. After all the timing work and all the work that I did, everything I pulled apart, I was kind of concerned. But really, she's not leaked a drop of oil. She's not leaked any coolant, no oil, coolant mix. I'm kind of happy. So I'll be here in Everett soon and see what goes on from there.